Well, we're getting loaded up. We're going to head out to the beach for a beach day with the kids. It's a fishing, most likely playing on the beach, but we're going to take y'all with us. Ashley's getting the kids dunked in a drum of suntan lotion or sunblock, whatever. As you can see, sweating. I know my hair's a mess, but you know, loaded up. Got some fishing poles, got some bait. We'll see you on the beach. We'll get out there and see if we can't destroy this camera with salt water. Updates. Hey, Eliana.
Hello.
Everybody good?
Yeah. And who's driving?
Eliana, you ready to catch a fish?
Yeah.
We're gonna do our best. Day out here on the lake, maybe a half a foot trout. Got Eliana with me back here. Gonna head out to the beach, try to find some fish, maybe some speckled trout, redfish. But it's absolutely gorgeous out here today. Way better than the last few days we've been having with the wind. Hopefully you can hear me. But anyways, we'll get back to y'all when we get on this beach and we'll set up a tent and see what happens. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I see him. Got some dolphins playing on the beach this morning. Yep. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah. Yes. I'm leaving my shoes here.
Huh?
I'm ready, Daddy.
You ready to get on the beach?
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Eliana?
I am so ready.
Let's go. I'll help you. Ooh-wee. So we set up a little spot. We're gonna hang out for a while.
Here.
You made it?
Yep.
Nice. Let's get our fishing stuff and head back out there. It's beautiful today.
So we can try to catch some of those minnows.
Beautiful out here today. This little guy. Where's your shoes, bruh? Okay. Oh my goodness. I have a sandbar right here that makes a perfect little kiddie pool. It's about 2 feet deep.
I want for you.
You want to throw me? you got me. Full of sand. Oh no. Oh. Some beautiful Louisiana shrimp boats off in the distance. There's another one. Trying to make a living out here. There he is. Louisiana Gulf shrimp.